In this video, we will discuss the 30 best niches that can help beginners make money online. If you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, this guide will provide you with some great ideas to get started. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. This can be a great way to earn a passive income online. Dropshipping is similar to affiliate marketing, but you're creating your own online store and selling physical products. The supplier handles the shipping and inventory management, making it a low-risk business model. Blogging allows you to share your thoughts and expertise on a particular topic while also monetizing your content through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and product sales. Offering virtual assistant services like social media management, email marketing, and administrative tasks can earn you a steady income online. You can work from anywhere for clients from around the world. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can offer online coaching and consulting services to help others achieve their goals. This can include fitness coaching, business coaching, or life coaching.